Around the mouth of the Mamberamo, the New Guinea coast is very low. It's covered with dense tropical jungle, and along the water's edge, a large number of Australian pines or cassowary trees, which are the tall trees that can be seen from here. The mouth of the river appears as a notch in the middle of this extensive line of vegetation. The mouth of the river can here be seen, again breaking the line of trees. At this particular point, the ship is maneuvering to drop the plane for its first flight into New Guinea, and now the ship itself is approaching the mouth of the river itself. Here the Fomalhaut is in the river going upstream. The Mamberamo carries a large volume of water, but it is a treacherous trip for a ship to make because the bottom of the river is constantly changing, new bars being formed, and the periods of heavy flood during the rainy season considerably change the contour of the river. So each year it's a new venture to make this trip. The depth of the river has to be constantly tested by handling a lead line. Papuan shacks are seen along the side of the river at frequent intervals. These are temporary habitations occupied by the Siberi Papuans, the tribe that lives on the lowland coastal plain below the Van Rees Mountains. In this part of the river, in times of high water, the banks are frequently completely flooded. At the base camp, the level of the river sometimes varied as much as 40 feet between high and low water. As the ship went up the river, we would sometimes see natives standing by their houses watching us, but as a rule, they fled into the jungle when the ship approached, leaving the houses apparently deserted. It is approximately 90 miles from the mouth of the river to the head of navigation at Havoc Island. Along this entire course, we see these temporary houses of the Siberi along the river. Here is a small village flooded by the high waters. The entire lower course of the river is bordered by low and very dense tropical jungle. In some cases, where the river has washed away the banks, tall areas of high grass are seen.